Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. We're back. It is Wednesday, February 4th, 2026. This year's already flying by quick. I'm excited to be back. I'm ready to make some more money with y'all today. So far, having a decent week. Just trying to add more money to the accounts, base hitting. And that's all we got to do, people. If you want consistent payouts, all you have to do is hit base hits. Don't swing for the fence. Base freaking hits. The base hits gets the consistent payouts. When you swing for the fence, you sometimes will get struck out. But when you sit there with like the bat and you do like a little bunt to get on base real quick, that always works. So do what always works. Base hits. Welcome. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you guys had a solid Tuesday and a solid evening last night, and you guys stayed safe in the overnight markets that traded last night. Yesterday was a day. I gotta say. I drove to South Florida yesterday to visit one of the Legacy Wealth Society members who's from Minnesota, so that's why I drove down to see him. And on top of that, I went further south after seeing him, an extra 2 hours south after having lunch with him to get something really cool that I'm gonna show you guys today on the stream. Once we get more people up in here, I'll show you what I got yesterday. And yeah, I'm excited for all of us today because the market dumped yesterday, and I got a feeling the market may continue dumping today. We got news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock today. So let's keep that in mind. Let's not be overly crazy. And let's just do what we do. Print some money. And this is for educational purposes only. I got to stay compliant with YouTube and the FCC or whatever. So I have to throw that disclaimer in there. Good morning, y'all. What's up, Smooth? Hopefully you're doing good today, bro. All right, so we got news today. We already had the 8:15 news. That was the national employment. We got 9:45 news, the S&P Global Comp PMI. S&P Global Comp PMI for 9:45. And then at 10 o'clock, we have the manufacturing PMI as well. Then tomorrow, we got the initial jobs claims. And then Friday, we got non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. So this week, I love this week already. We're getting tons of news, which is making the markets move. And your boy's thankful. Your boy is extremely thankful. Let's see here. All right, let me do a quick little snippet of the market right now. We're currently below the 21 EMA. The 21 EMA is sitting right around 354 for that 21 EMA. Then we got the VWAP sitting up there at pretty much 420.50. And then the close from yesterday is sitting at 421.25. 421.25. So honestly, I wait the first 15 minutes a market open. So I'm gonna be holding until 9:45 till after the news drops for 9:45 today, and then I'll try executing some trades here. Good morning, is Smooth. They only charge you if you do not activate your funded account. So if you activate your funded account, they don't charge you. But if you let the past eval just sit in your dashboard without activating, they will charge you the subscription until you activate. So I pay for some of mine still because I have funded evals passed, but I'm capped at my 5 funded account. So I pay for them because if I ever blow a funded, I have an extra one that I could add That's already passed. Good morning, what's up, Crawl? Right now you're looking at the 5-minute and the 2-minute with Renko bars. Crawl. Good morning, sir. And I just threw these lines on here. These are not anything right now. Let me just move those out the way. I just like having them ready. Bars are on. Those are set for 8-4. I drove yesterday for 7 hours total. Like yesterday, it was a lot of driving yesterday, boys. Lots of driving, but it was well worth it. Well worth it. All right, let's see how the market starts acting between 925 and like 929 here, because I feel like this is the secret little spot where it'll let you know what the market's going to do at market open. So if we push from 925 to 929, most likely at market open we'll still push. If we dump before market open here, then playing that the market's going to continue to dump at market open. The couple minutes before market open, it's always like the precursor of the session, I feel. On most days. Some days it's completely wrong. Completely true. Some days it's completely wrong. But most of the time it does act and show you what the market's going to be doing for the session. Dylan, what's up, bro? Good morning. Bro, I'm going to see you soon, man. Each day that passes gets me one day closer to seeing you in BP, bro. Oh.
Morning, good morning, fellas. Morning.
Good morning, Mr. Carmona.
Morning, Carmona, morning. Let's make some money.
Dylan, I'm ready too, because this time I'm gonna give you guys a story today, but I'm gonna give y'all a I don't want you seeing. I got a custom credit card made yesterday. Don't know if you guys can really see that. Right there. Custom credit card. So now when I take y'all to dinner, just know the legacy card's paying. What's up, Art? Yesterday, I drove down South Florida to have lunch with Mitch, part of the community. And then I drove another 2 hours to go get some custom credit cards made. So I got one that's all gold, Legacy Wealth Society, you know what I'm saying? So when I'm paying at places, they'll be like, huh, what's Legacy Wealth Society? Oh, wow.
Can we see it?
Huh?
Can we see the gold card?
I thought I just put it on the screen, but yeah, I'll show it again. Well, I'll show both cards, but I gotta make sure I'm not showing the actual card information. So here's one.
Ooh.
The Millionaires Club right there. And these are metal, by the way. These are heavy duty metal credit cards. And then there's the Legacy Wealth Society card.
I want one too.
Next time you're in South Florida, you gotta go to my guy.
Yeah, I'm gonna be down there for like a week and a half. So while I'm down there, I'm gonna get it.
Okay.
So with that card, where's that card hooked up to though? The Legacy Club.
No, so my guy has a patent. He can ship. Okay. My guy has a patent to remove your chip off your plastic card and transfer it and put it on a metal card. And they do whatever design you want. They engrave it, everything like that. Alfred, you could use like a bank debit card if you wanted to. It doesn't have to be a credit card. Whatever card that you have, you give to him, and he can make it a metal card. So I made one of my credit cards, the Legacy Wealth Society Gold. You know what I'm saying? So pull that bad boy out. There you go. Legacy paid for it. Appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, chilling. And I'll put his information in the community as well. If you want him shipping it, it does take a little bit longer. That's why I drove down to him. Market is officially open. Ooh, Nellies. I'm ready to trade. No love today, bro? What are you talking about? Everyone gets love life. Come on now. All right, so we're still trying to dump. The next card I get, good morning, Brett. The next card I'm get is going to be "This is my FU money." Bro, the chat's moving, fam. Like, come on, you can't. Come on, look at this dump, and boy, I may have to just jump in this time early. Not gonna lie. We have news at 9:45. I low-key just want to jump in here. Nah, Jose, if I'm breaking the rule, we printing money. We ain't doing no eval. We have news today at 9:45 and 10 o'clock, people. Oh, this is so hard. This is so hard right now because I want to jump in. We're coming down at yesterday's low, 219. 219 was yesterday's low. We're creeping. Life, it's hard right now, fam. Yesterday, watching that initial waterfall at market open was painful to watch. I'm trying, boys. I'm trying to wait the first 15 minutes. We have news at 9:45 today as well. So keep that in mind. Let me grab my line. Let me start doodling. Let me doodle to make it a little bit safer if I do jump in. Let's doodle a little bit. Let me add, anyone having issues logging with Trade-Evade? Anyone having issues logging with Trade-Evade? No? If you're Barry, if you're having issues logging in, you may have to wait till 9:45, 10 o'clock, because that's whenever they have a connection issue for certain accounts or some accounts, that's when it gets fixed. So it'll get fixed around 9:45 till around 10. Yeah, so just wait till about 9:45, 10 o'clock, and it should be fixed for you. Good morning, fellas, as well. Sorry you're having issues this morning. Good job, you didn't put in the discussion, or maybe you did. I didn't see it. You gotta put those wins in the discussion, fam. We gotta let people know. For everyone in Legacy, make sure you're posting your wins and your losses in the community discussion. It not only keeps you accountable, but also helps other people as well for motivation. And if you have a bad day, someone else may have a bad day. So now y'all don't feel alone. Go, yeah, I took a bad trade too. Tomorrow's a new day. Let's tighten up. Oh yeah, we're trying to print another bear flag. Ooh, Nellies. Ooh, Nellies. Your boy's getting itchy. Click, click. Ten more minutes, Duane. You got 10 more minutes. I'm not going to break my rule. I really want to. I'm not going to break it because I've been consistently getting payouts by following my rule. So I'm not going to break it today. I was ready to. I was right there on the edge, but I pulled myself back. So. Yes, move. Wait till about 9:45, 10. It should be fixed. Because when I'm traveling, sometimes I get that same error, and it always gets fixed between 9:45 and 10. And I always jokingly say, "Oh, the union worker didn't go in yet and flip the switch." Life, I'm glad you're proud of me, fam. I'm glad you're proud of me. I'm proud of myself too.
Yeah, good job, D. Good job. Good job. You didn't buggle the FOMO. You didn't break your own rule.
Man, a lot of people are having issues with Tradeify this morning. Steve. Steve, did they ever respond to your ticket? In the middle of the night saying it's fixed. So Tradeivate may be having an issue. It doesn't show up on Tradeivate. That's weird. That's weird. Okay. Yep. I like Ninja as a brokerage. They're pretty solid. Okay.
I'm having that same problem, but my new trade is good.
For connecting? Jose, yours isn't connected either?
Not the Tradeivate. I'm gonna try the Ninja Trader now.
Okay. Hopefully they're not having another crash like last week. Because, like, that makes me nervous. That makes me nervous.
Duane, you're breaking the internet.
I'm not trying to break the internet, man.
Breaking in all these traders.
No, it's not my fault, man. I'm just trying to make sure people are winning. Yeah, we got another one. Okay, so everyone, if you're using Tradeivate to trade, a lot of you guys are having issues. You're not by yourself. You're not alone. Good morning, Hamid. Trading must be having another server issue, which
Hey,
makes me.
I just wanted to jump in because it might help some people. I did find that there was a disclosure that I needed to sign. It was showed up in Tradeovate, like and just another thing to sign off on. And so that might fix something for somebody, but it was definitely one of the things that was in the way of it working.
Thank you, Steve. So
Yeah,
check your
you're welcome.
Tradeovate. Make sure you have no documents that you have to sign, everything like that. So that way, if that is the reason why you can't trade right now, sign it so you can actually trade. You can't even log in. Okay, yeah. So let's see at 9:45 if the union worker flips the switch. 9:45 at 10 because normally that's when it would get fixed for me. Normally, when I was having that issue, because I myself have had that issue several times with Tradeovate. So
Motherfucking Tradeovate, like clean my plate. No, I was I'm a better speaker than a typer, but so basically, like I said, I set up a brokerage account over there to protect the data, and I'm gonna be it's gonna be good. So
okay, we just had a little bear flag print right there. Ninja tripping also. That's not good. Well, be careful, everyone. If the servers are messing up again, just be careful.
yeah, just an FYI, I'm trying to sign into Ninja Trader and saying there's now an unknown error. So there must be all kinds of stuff going on.
Yeah.
I'm using my same credential that I've used for over 6 months. So, and I'm not like typing it in. So
Yeah. They gotta be having a server issue. Let me jump over to see if anyone else is
I
having.
don't want to talk to your broadcast, big man, but if you just like keep me posted, that'd be great.
No, I got you. There is something.
It's frustrating, man.
We are aware of issues logging into Tradeovate, and we are in communication with Ninja Trader. Please refrain from creating intercom tickets at this point and wait further announcements. That was at 9:34.
All right. Well, thank you, Duane. I appreciate you being on it.
No, of course.
I thought you didn't love us anymore.
What? Steve, get out of here, bro. Brent, send Steve to the VIP room. He acting like I don't love y'all no more. I got nothing but love for y'all. That's all I got for y'all is love for y'all.
Job, turkey.
Oh, so yesterday I went down to South Florida to get some custom cards made, some custom credit cards. And I'll show you because we got more people in here now.
Yeah, it's that metal one, right?
Yep. So there's the Millionaires Club for one of my credit cards. Happy about that one. But that's not the one that really gets the juices going. The Legacy Wealth Society credit card, all gold, metal. Boy, just know, people gonna know when I pull up why we're so successful. The Legacy Wealth Society, folks. That's it. I literally drove round trip yesterday, 7 hours to get those cards done and to grab lunch with Mitch because he was on the way. So
Sweet.
we got news at 9:45, folks. News at 9:45. I'm holding and waiting until after 9:45 to start executing trades. Oh, I'm excited to use it. I'm excited to use it to pay for something like at a restaurant to see what type of reaction we get. Oh, what's the Legacy Wealth Society? Well, funny you ask. It's the best trading community globally. Globally, the best. You should join. Learn how to trade. Right now, we're consolidating before this news comes out. We are still below the VWAP. We're right here, like pretty much sitting at the 21 EMA as well. So we're going to see what we get, folks. We're going to see what we get. I'm waiting to execute a trade. So after this 9:45 news comes out, we do have news at 10 o'clock as well. We do have news at 10. All right, there's 9:45, but not much movement. Not much movement right there on that 9:45 news. So, alrighty, we got 10 o'clock news as well. We got the non-manufacturing report coming out, PMI, at 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock. $15 seconds left for me to be fully cleared to trade. I'm going to give you the marks for your 15-minute range so you can see if we're lined up. 390 for the high of the 15-minute range. Well, yeah, 390, 389.75 area for the high. The low of the range is 230. The low of the range is 230. Now I'm officially cleared to trade. That does not mean I'm just going to put a trade on because I'm officially cleared. For whoever asked, that's not what I'm doing here. Now we're going to wait. Whoa. Don't do that. That scared me. Tonight we got the traders hangout. We will be starting at 9:30 tonight. Last night we started a little bit late because I got home late. There was a couple accidents on the turnpike, and accidents on the turnpike grinded to a screeching halt. So let's see. Now I'm curious to see what type of move we get. I'm gonna put that line there. Let me get another line. Put it up there. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. I'm gonna do something. Bears are trying. Bulls are trying to step in, especially on this 5-minute candle. That's what it's letting us know. Bulls are trying to step in. Are the Bears going to have enough to push this price down? Let's see if we break my yellow line, the magical yellow line. We did not break it, so not taking a short yet. Bulls still stepping in, so now we're breaking above my top yellow line that I put there. I feel like at this point, we're going to probably go up there and touch that VWAP. Let's see if we get a little bull flag. Your boy would like a bull flag. All right, let's build out a flag. I need me a flaggy flag. We're getting a flag on the 1 minute, but your boy would prefer it on like a higher time frame. As long as we do not drop more than 50% of the pull of this candle for the flag, I'll still be looking for the long. If we drop more than 50%, I'll be a little bit more hesitant for a long. Right now, we're extremely tight right now. Just looking at how the market's looking, we're extremely tight. Whew. Yeah, be careful. Be careful, boys. This thing's chopping right now. I'm a hold. I'm not touching this yet. Trying to break through my bottom yellow line now, but I feel like it's chopping too much. We're in the middle of the 15-minute range as well, and we already know I don't diddle in the middle, so I'm holding. Izzy, my middle name's dangerous, bro. I'm not worried that it's going to be dangerous, but we need some decent movement that's not chopping. We do not want choppy chop. We got news at 10 o'clock as well. News at 10 o'clock. So hopefully that settles the market a little bit, possibly.
Good morning, guys.
Ooh, Mr. Silk himself. Good morning, sir.
How y'all doing?
Another day in paradise, bro.
Good to hear. Good to hear. Except for Trader Bait's down. It's not really paradise over here.
Yeah, well, that's weird because I'm on Tradeovate.
Same. I have it up on my iPad. It's been working just fine, but on my phone, it's not connecting. On my laptop's not connecting.
Jesse, I'm adding you right now to the community. Welcome. Welcome to the family. Good morning, BP. Let me see if they've put any updates in on the announcements for Tradeovate. Still no announcements. Tradeify came out saying that their Tradeovate's having issues or whatever. Like, and this is where it's like slightly scary for me to execute a trade, because when the stuff crashed the last time, it was not pretty. I got everything back, but
I just tried taking a trade. It says Trader Bait maintenance. It looks like there's a technical issue like it did last week. So, boy, can't trade.
Okay, I haven't even tried executing a trade yet today.
Yeah, I can't even execute one.
So I'll know whenever I click the button if I'm able to make some money or not.
Click the button, Duane. Click the
Click
button.
it. Click it. I'll click it right now, Midge.
Did it work?
No, I did not click. I haven't clicked yet. I'm scared.
Right now we're in a downtrend, so you're safe. And it's still going down, so just don't do a buy.
Come on, give me the 1,000.
Man, let me just log in the Ninja Trader. Try that.
There was a lot of slippage there, but it locked in 510 on that test trade on that funded account. Just locked in 510 as a test trade. But let me rotate to the next funded account. Let's keep the party going here. Alrighty, what's the next one I'm doing? We'll do that one. BP, you weren't here last night, bro. Okay, Smooth is in, so check your Tradeovates, people. They're fixing the stuff, so you may be able to log in now. So try it out. We got news in 6 minutes. 6 minutes for news. BP, So when me, you, and Dylan are having dinner,
It's working
just
over
know I'm paying with the Legacy credit card. The all gold metal Legacy gold card. Check that out. Just know that's all I'm paying for dinner when we're in San Antonio in less than 2 weeks now.
This music's a vibe this morning.
You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get the good stuff going. You know what I'm saying? We got only positive confirming music for us because I can't do the music where like I'm like really vibing because at that point I'm no longer even trading. I'm just like straight grooving. You know what I'm saying? So I need playlists that they hit, but they don't hit too hard where I can focus. So we tapped the middle of that 15-minute range right there. Is trying to reject from that middle. We have not broken out of the 15-minute range yet. We got 5 minutes for news. 5 minutes for news. I want to see if I could jump in. I want to break my bottom yellow line here with momentum so I could jump in real quick and get out. Happiness, yes, I'm fully capped with Tradeify with 5 funded accounts. I have a Lucid funded account, and I have 2 pro accounts with Take Profit Trader. Good morning. All right, so Barry's in. All right, so your trade evade should be starting to work a little bit better now, folks. They're correcting the issue. Like I said, between 9:45 and 10, that's when they flip the switch.
100 right there.
Go ahead, boy. Mr. G just made 1,200. Make sure you're putting your wins in the discussion, the community legacy, because some of y'all been slacking. I'm not gonna lie, some of y'all been slacking. It's there to keep accountability, folks. So when I had to post a losing day, that's keeping me accountable. All right, we're breaking out of the 15-minute range. There's the first little breakout. Let's see if we get the follow through. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. I'm ready for it.
3 minutes to 10.
Thank you, G. 3 more minutes till the news coming out. 3 more minutes till news. I want to jump in and get out quick. Alan, awesome, bro. If you're in the community, put in the discussion, community discussion. Love to see you winning, bro. I prefer trading with prop firms hat because at the end of the day, it's safer. It's honestly safer. I closed out quick 225 right there. We got news in less than 2 minutes. Brett, they're fixing the trade evade issue. So it's slowly working for people. So just keep refreshing and hopefully you can start trading soon. I'm like, honestly, I may just rotate from this account since I just put a quick 225 in there. Just to say we could and would. Yeah, I'm gonna rotate. Let's go to the next one. We got news getting ready to drop, boys. News getting ready to drop in less than a minute. So honestly, be careful. I would not be in a trade right now until after the news drops. My first target to the low side here is sitting at 150.25. 150.25. And then below that, we got a pivot point all the way down at 84.50. 84.50. Are we going to crack back into the 24,000s today. I think we may. Honestly, I think we're going to crack 24,000 a day. Back into the 24,000. We already passed through yesterday's low, Alan. Spring, we're trading the Nasdaq, bro. Welcome back. Welcome back, sir. Good mornings. Good mornings, everybody. All right, news is dropping, or should have dropped. Whoa. Oh, I was like, why aren't my wrinkles moving? I scrolled over. Okay. Yeah, I don't really trade gold because I've studied and mastered trading the Nasdaq. And if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's why I haven't switched to other things.
Hey, your boy's back in the game.
All right, trade bait's working.
Trade bait's working.
There we go.
We live. We live.
All right, we just hit my first target. We just hit my first target there to the low side. 150.25.
Solid 980 on the morning so far with 2 trades.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, so news has officially came out. It really didn't do anything to the market. I logged in, but my chart's not popping.
Let's go, G. Let's go.
Try refreshing. We got a pivot point down here. We have a pivot point. We're losing this first target. I really want to see a bear flag right now. Like, I need to see a bear flag so I don't just take a short because we're falling down here. But I need a quick little pop up. I need a quick little pop up by the bulls. Come on, bulls. Step on in. Pop it up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Or else I'm going to just target this pivot point below us. I may even put a stop loss on just to keep this real tight. All right, quick 280 right there. Quick 280. I got scared. I did get scared, so I closed out. Not even gonna lie. I do not use Apex. I use Tradeify, Lucid, and Take Profit Trader. I'm funded with all three. Reason why I don't use Apex, they're not as trader friendly for beginners. And I trade the firms that I recommend for beginner traders to use. Because I had just last year, I had over $12,000 get denied in payouts with them. All right, is this going to be the pop up that we need? I need a pop. I need a pop up. I need the bulls to create a structure for a bear flag. I want structure for a bear flag before we keep going lower. Why? It just gives you confirmation that we're going to keep going down, believe it or not. What's my favorite prop? My favorite prop is Tradeify. I'm fully funded with them. I'm maxed out with 5 funded accounts. I take payouts from them can't say every week, but I'm working on getting to where I'm taking payouts every week. I took a payout on Monday. I took a payout last Friday. But yeah, I love trading with them because they're simple, and on top of them being simple, they pay fast. You get your payouts extremely quick, and that's what you want as a trader. You want your money. You want your money now, and that's what you get with Tradeify and Lucid and Take Profit Trader. So pick which one works best for you. I personally, I just like the bet. Honestly, I mainly trade with Tradeify because of their back office. So their trader's dashboard is the cleanest out of all of them. That's why I love trading with them. All right, so we're printing a small bear flag right here on the 2 minute and the 1 minute. Oh, boys, that's making your boy excited. Let's cross through my yellow line and best believe I'm going to take a trade. Crossing my yellow line.
I see that potential bear flag forming on that 2 minute.
I see it too, G. I see it too. I'm watching. I'm waiting. We gotta stay below this first target though, the 150.25 level. I want to stay below that for confirmation here. I just want to see it's coming down to my yellow line with momentum, and I'll execute a trade. But now that looks like a little flip though, so we gotta be careful. We gotta be careful looking at the 1 minute here. I saw that little flip. I don't like that. Come on, Betsy. Who's winning? Who's losing? Who's flat? Who hasn't even taken a trade? Let me know. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets. We do these streams every morning where we can learn together, grow together, and win together, folks. Tonight we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. The time's not getting pushed back because I'm not traveling today. So the stream will start at normal time, and yes, we'll be sitting on the pool deck tonight with the lights going, the fire pit blasting, the heater on my feet. We're going to be chilling tonight, so make sure you come and vibe with us. Hamid, sorry to hear that, bro. Are you following your rules? We're trying to build this bear flag right now in the 2 minute. We're trying right now. Tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, we go live for the Traders Hangout. Your go-to evening stream to talk about trading, talk about life, and everything in between. Come vibe with us. It's always a good time. We talk a lot, and we just have fun. All right, so we do have selling pressure on that 5 minute candle, so that's making me somewhat excited, but I want to see the flag form and pay. That's what I'm looking for right now. I'm not taking a trade till I see the flag. Got greedy? Bro, it happens, man. It happens. But you understand why you lost today, because of greed. So tomorrow you have to come back and tell yourself you're not going to be greed. What's up, bro? Welcome back, fam. You're never late. This ain't no job, fam. You can't show up late to this because there's no time that you have to be here. We're here for when you come. That's it. I'm reaching out to our editor today to see where our vlog is from Canada so we could drop that bad boy. I'm excited to see what he does with it. And we're just going to have some fun. Morning, DL. Hopefully all you guys are staying as safe as possible in these markets today. No reason to risk it for the biscuit. I was looking for the bear flag, but I also said it looks like it's trying to flip. That's why I put, once I get my cursor, there we go. This top line right here, that's why I put it. This is when I saw the flip to market for my eye. Tomorrow we got news, and we got news on Friday as well. We got news all week this week, so your boy's happy. Your boy's happy. Waiting and join the community. Well, I thought, hold on. Hold on. If you're trying to join the community, let me come over here and make sure you get approved, bro. I'm not trying to hold you up. Depending upon what your name is, you should be already added. I added everyone already to the community this morning. So you should be in, sir. You should be in. Yeah, Travis, I already added you, bro. I wasn't trying to put out, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't trying to say, like, your government, you know what I'm saying? But Cope, yes, I do trade full-time, but I do have multiple businesses offline as well. So Travis, that gets you in for the community discussion and the motivational page in the community on the free side. Welcome to the community, sir. If we get above this 21 EMA, I have this 21 EMA sitting right at 256. We get above that, I'm gonna probably take a long here, to be honest. Unless I'm not even want to say that yet. Unless this is gonna be one big bear flag, but I feel like we're trying to flip to bullish right now, so. But you never know. I'm just waiting to see some clean momentum. That's all I'm waiting for. Waiting for some clean momentum and execute a trade. Bulls just flipped. We're above the 21 now. We're below it. I want to see us get above that 21. No, I didn't rotate off this account. I thought I did. Uh-oh, I gotta rotate. Quick, Duane, hurry up.
I just had a bunch of traps this morning in this little section of it. It's already been.
We just printed a bull flag on the 2 minute right here, but we got this 21 EMA. I'm waiting until we get above the 21 EMA with momentum to execute a trade here, because we keep rejecting off this 21.
Can you do something for me?
Mitch, you got home safe yesterday? You didn't like run from the cops or anything?
Yeah,
In the car?
Smooth sailing, you know?
Okay, cool.
You guys have a safe drive?
Yeah. It was a long one, but it was a safe one.
Good. Yeah, I heard when you said last night you had like another 2 hours.
Yeah. Only because of like traffic. It wasn't even, that's how far it was. It was just traffic.
I was gonna say it's always to the traffic down here. Like distance wise, it's chilling, but all the people that be moving down the road for whatever reason. Yeah.
And then we got caught up coming back behind an accident that shut down the turnpike.
Oh yeah, dang.
Cash, neither. Neither, sir.
Were you on the turnpike or just regular highway?
The turnpike.
Oh yeah, that thing is backed up. It's game over.
Yeah, because it's only the 2 lanes too. So once there's an accident,
You see
like it just sucks.
You see the most on the turnpike, boy. Trust me.
Yeah.
And now they got the construction on the turnpike because they're trying to widen it.
I was gonna say they should.
So that slows it down even more now.
They should have built that at least to be a 3 or 4 lane from the start.
Well, they're adding lanes, but it's a slow process.
Yeah.
All right, so right now I'm waiting because we rejected off that 21 EMA, and at this point, ooh Nelly. Bulls are trying to step in here, but the Bears already flipped the momentum, so that's why I'm just waiting. I'm waiting to execute. Oh, screen. Thank you, Hamid. My bad, people. My bad. Screen was black. Thank you, Hamid. If the screen is ever black for longer than like 10 seconds, tell me, because I forgot to click the button and put it back on. The screen goes black because I'm rotating through my funded accounts and I don't want you seeing my account numbers. It's not you, it's me, okay? Just know that. Bull's trying to flip this. I kind of want to go long like now, because I see this potential bull flag forming on the 5 minute right there. If I jump in early, then I could be in.
Yeah, but then you might be like me, jumping in early.
Very true. Very true.
Yeah,
I'm waiting. I need to see the momentum.
Yeah, don't pull a Mitchell.
Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for this trade. Just waiting to see if the Bulls get enough momentum to push, because we got 3 buying wicks on the 2 minute chart. Like, I do not use bots. No, I manually trade. Once I could build a bot that has my vision of the market, I'll be completely set. You know what I'm saying? I'll just sit back, relax, laugh and joke with y'all while it's trading my strategy for me.
That'd be like a Tesla electric driving for us on the road.
Are the Bulls going to flip it here? The Bulls have to get some momentum to win this battle right here, or else we're going to fall down. We're currently below the 15-minute range. Bulls are having issues pushing this price back up. It is looking slightly heavy. What you gonna do, Betsy? What you gonna do, girl? Try to make some more money. I need less than $300 for an even 1,000 for the day, because as you can see, $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. So just trying to keep some bills away today. Right now we're chopping, slightly consolidating. Okay, here we go. We may start getting a push here for the Bulls. Nope, they couldn't win it. I'm looking at my chart over here, and yeah, the Bulls don't have enough momentum. We may start falling. I did not even eat dinner last night. That's how tired I was. After the stream last night, I was like, I want to eat. But I was so tired, I didn't even eat last night. Well, I gotta get us a new playlist here, since we just finished that one. Well, I don't see them being a threat, because there's so much money in trading. It doesn't matter if AI is trading with us. Like, well, you can always make money at trading. They'll always need us because we make human errors at the end of the day, and that feeds the market. Because when people are losing, that means people are also winning. Right now, we're straight consolidating. We're like consolidating, but coming down slightly all at the same time. It's crazy. Is this going to be our push finally? Let's get above this previous candle wick. The bulls want to, but they're just not. Come out to the 15-minute range. There we go. There's a tap of the low. Cross, sorry here, bro. Slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady. So there's the bears stepping in once again. They don't want the bulls pushing this price up. We almost tapped that 21 EMA as well. We did not tap it though. Right now it's a standstill. Here comes the 20. All right, there's the 21 EMA tap. Here comes my yellow line as well. Come on, Betsy. Man, the fight's real right now. I want to touch it, but I can't. It's chopping aggressively right now. I just want another $300. $300 to keep the bills away. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away, folks. I need $300 more to give me an even 1,000. Yes, I can't even take a trade yet. It's chopping right now way too hard. Like I want to take a trade, but I can't. Look how this is chopping right now, right here at the low, this 15-minute range. Best believe a big move's coming because this is all consolidation. When we're going sideways, that's consolidating. Chop City right now. Chop freaking City. Like, we're above my yellow line, but the way it's chopping so hard on the Rincos, I'm not a fan. Yeah, I may just size down to take this one because it's chopping. I may size down. Let's see if we build another bull flag. Since this was one bull flag right here that I was waiting for, but we were chopping too hard. So I didn't jump in on it. Let's see if we get another flag like right here, build some structure. Yeah, this movement is not healthy movement on the Rincos, I'll tell you that. Like, we're moving in different directions, but it's not a clean move. Your boy likes clean moves. Yeah, I killed that one. Jesus. That's annoying. That's annoying. Aggie. Just straight agginess. Stop making you so rich. At least one of us is winning right now. I just had a first losing trade for the day. Let me rotate. And which account was that? Okay, that one's fine. Nowhere close to blowing it, so not touching that account again for the day. But we're literally chopping. I got greedy. I did get greedy. I could have closed like $200 in profit. I wanted more. Ended up paying the price. So it just doesn't happen, y'all. It does happen to me as well, folks. I sometimes get greedy as well. I'm not perfect. Biggie, how much you make today, bro? Since you said I'm making you so rich over here. So we just broke out of the 15-minute range once again. We're at the low of this range. Below the 21 EMA again. We're just shopping right now. All right, breaking out of the 15-minute range now. Yeah, we're just Chop City. Chop City right now. I think that's going to be the next shirt. It's going to say Chop City. What's up, Mitch? Welcome. Right now, consolidating.
Is there another Mitchell you said?
Yep, there's another Mitch in the chat right now, bro.
Yo, there's another one of me.
So I guess I'm gonna have to start calling you Silky. You know what I'm saying?
Now you know why people in high school call me Silk, because there were 4 Mitchells in my class.
Makes sense. Makes sense now. All right, there was a small bear flag right there. But we need better follow through and momentum. I closed that one out. I told myself just lock the profit in. Just lock it in. Even though it's still going, just lock the freaking profit in, boys. That's all we got to do. Let me see what accounts I should trade next.
Well, Duane, I did the math. I need 490 on the day to be done, or just, call it quits now.
Mm-hmm.
For me to have the 50% for today.
Yeah.
At my 1500, and then tomorrow I'll do another 1500, and then I'll pass this eval.
Awesome. Awesome, sir. I just switched over to a Tradeify Select eval. I think I'm done trading my fundeds. I made like pretty much $1,000 today, but I lost a G in one of my other accounts. So that's why I rotate accounts. So that way I can still have winning days, even though I take a bad trade. Because on 5 accounts, 4 are green, 1's red for the day. That's a win for me. That's a win. To me, come back tomorrow, reset, bro. To execute once again, bro. Let's see. Are we going to get another flag? Because I'll take another short here on this eval. I do trade my evals a little bit more aggressively. Izzy, I go fast with evals. But I normally trade them like right now, since I'm done trading my funded that I was putting money in today. I'll trade it. I'll put whatever I can in it. And we just keep it moving.
All right, where we heading, boys? Where we heading? What's the plan here?
Looks like we may start coming on down like we doing right now. Let me close that. 710 on that one. Let me rotate to another one. My whole goal with trading evals at this point is just to have them on standby. Right now, it looks like we're going to probably come back down, test my first target for the day, the 150 area, Want to see us print a little flag? That made me pretty happy. Maybe get like a bear flag on the 5 minute. That'd be really good for us. But with the select accounts, we have to trade them for 3 days minimum. So with that being said, I'll base hit it aggressively for 3 days so they're passed. I did not get filled, and God, I got tagged in. That's annoying. I hate when you get tagged in when you don't want to be tagged in. Yeah, I closed it. I closed it. I did not get the original fill I wanted, so I just closed. $50 though, but it wasn't where I wanted, so rather be safe. All right, we're losing that 150 area. It's getting real tight and choppy right here. We're above the 350. Let's see if we continue flushing here. We got a pivot point below us. Yeah, not liking that movement right there. I closed that one. Alan, up 4K for the day. Go ahead, boy. Good job, bro. Happy for you.
I was in the negative 15. I dropped it down to 510. Negative 5.
Okay. Good job, G. Good job. Cleaning it up a little bit. We're consolidating right now. Whoa. That's crazy. What was that? You saw that crazy pop? Let me check something. Did I just blow this eval on that crazy pop that we just had?
I just did. I just blew one of mine.
Okay, no, I didn't blow it, but that's straight craziness.
Oh.
Straight craziness. Let me rotate to my lucid. That's dirty right there. That is so dirty. Look at that, boy. If you just got wrecked on that, I'm sorry. Like, that just took everybody. That just took everybody's lunch money right there. That was trying to short. Luckily, I'm only trading evals at this point. I'm done trading my fundeds. We made our $1,000 for the day. We keep it pushing. But yeah, that was aggressive right there.
Yep. Right now they got trapped. Green guys had a quick scalp right for that short, and I'm just kind of switching back and forth.
Let me mute. Gee, he's listening to D Money over there.
I got D Money up too.
Yeah, he
So-
can't trade because his account's fucked up. The trade
Okay. So who do you guys like more, D Money or PW?
D Money.
D Money so much more because D Money actually like,
He's more. Listen, D
You're
Money's
right.
more better. I like PW. I hate. He's gay too. Like, bro,
He was like a
always
college frat
talks
boy.
about dick this, dick that. Like, bro, like, okay, fuck up. Like, yo, I like D Money because he gets straight to the point with the trades and everything.
And he like walks you through it too, you know?
Yeah.
Calls it out. He's like, all right, we're doing this, we're doing that, and then it happens.
Okay.
Under 100 on the 100K account on Tradeify, is there a stop limit for the day?
Only on the growth, not on the select.
I'm trying to figure out how much would it be on the growth?
Honestly, I can't even tell you.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I closed that. That's crazy. That's crazy. I got greedy. I wanted more than 1,000. This is an eval. This is an eval with Lucid. I'm not trading my Lucid funded right now. I have 100K funded Lucid, but I'm not trading this chop right now. But I'm willing to risk some evals just to get some other ones passed.
Okay, I thought it was blown, but I guess not. Still working. I need to see what the next move gonna be.
Right now, I'd be looking for like a bull play. But we do have a lot these selling wicks on the 5-minute. I stay calm because that was the eval, bro. If it was my funded account, I would close at the G. In the evals, if I blow them, I really don't care because it's an eval. I respect evals to a certain extent. Oh, it is one day at a time, bro. One day at a time. You're watching someone that's been trading for a year and 7 months now. A year and 7 months. So, as someone that's new, you're not going to have the same level of confidence or resolve that someone that's been trading for a little bit longer. And that part, it doesn't matter your strategy or anything like that. It takes time to work through your emotional things in within yourself. We'll take that. Okay. Let me see what that account's on here. We'll Lucid. Okay. We'll gladly take that. We'll keep rocking this one out for a little bit. Profit target I had to hit is 9K. I saw this bear flag right here, but I wasn't calling it out because I didn't like the bottom wicks, to be honest. So I didn't want to call it out and then you guys get messed up. I mean, that's the emotions of trading, right? We're literally on a roller coaster. Trading has the ups, we have the downs. The whole goal is to win more than you lose. That should be your only goal. As long as you win more profit than what you're losing, you're winning. That's the whole thing with trading. Trading is 95% psychology, 5% clicking the button, and your strategy at the end of the day. Done trading those. I'll just keep going on this one, I guess. All right, let's see if we get a bear flag here on the 2 minute. We're right here close to my first target to the low side at 150. 150 is the target. I want us to get below that and clear some of these wicks below 150 before I want to really take a short. But that's just me personally. Tonight, we got the Traders Hangout. Make sure you guys come vibe with us. Because at the end of the day, we talk about trading, we talk about life and everything in between. All right, so this hasn't updated yet. So I'm currently waiting to get below 150 and we have a bottom wick. And let's see here. I would be waiting for 119, honestly. 119 if I was looking for the short. Now I said because whenever we get below 150, we've been popping up. Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. How we feeling? How's everyone trading? Are we up? Are we down? Are we all around? What is it, folks? What is it? So for all the new people in here, down for tomorrow's a new day, bro. Don't overtrade. Do not overtrade today. For the new people, I'm on a trading tour where I'm traveling to a new country or a new state every single month of this year. January, we went to Canada to meet up with Brett, who's currently in the chat. This month, we're going to Mexico and San Antonio in 2 weeks, literally less than 2 weeks now. We'll be in Mexico and then going to San Antonio to meet up with Legacy Wealth Society members and YouTube subscribers. I'm doing this to lead from the front. I want to show you guys what's achievable with trading when you follow your rules, you stay disciplined, and you keep it simple. So that's why I'm traveling the globe this year, is to show you guys can do it too. Because I'm one of those people, I don't know about you. Sometimes when you see other people doing it, it motivates you and helps you realize that you can do it. That's how I work. So that's why I became a better trader, because I saw people winning at trading. I'm like, if they're winning, that means I can win at this too. Let me figure this out. So that's why we're traveling the globe, connecting with you guys, connecting with the Legacy Wealth Society members and subscribers, because I truly want you guys to see that this is achievable when you lock in and focus. And plus, we stream it, we vlog it. We're waiting for the Canada vlog to drop, and hopefully you guys enjoy that one. Let me know what you guys think when it does drop. And yeah, I'm excited, boys. I'm excited. Right now, this market's doing pretty much nothing right now. We've been going sideways. But maybe a bear flag here on the 5-minute. But I want to get below 150. Want to get below 150. Yeah, as soon as I say that, of course, the bulls try stepping in a little bit. We got less than 7 minutes. Less than 7 minutes for 11 o'clock here. Less than 7 minutes for 11. Let's see. Come on down to that 150. If we don't reject off that 150, I may take a quick little short. It wants to, but bulls holding us up right now. These freaking bulls holding us up. How dare they? How dare they hold this price up right now? I want to get a quick little flush. Quick little flush. Want to try to see if I can put like $2,000 in this account. Yeah, those silly bulls trying to step in again. The audacity, folks. And actually, I think I'm gonna switch up the vibe. kind of feel like it's time to switch up the vibe. Since it's come up on 11 o'clock, I'm done really trading, so I'm switching the vibe up for myself. Hopefully you guys enjoy as well. Yeah, it looks like we're building a bear flag on the 5-minute here. So that's promising. That is promising. Tap my yellow line right there. I still feel like that 150 area is the level we gotta get through.
Wait,
Yeah.
you have the growth 100K account in the Trader Bot?
I have 50K growth accounts. I blew my 150K select account yesterday. Rest in peace. I did take a payout on the account, so I'm in the green on it, but slightly annoying. Slightly annoying.
The bank, should I pick the 100K growth or the select?
I would honestly do the select
Okay.
because you don't have a profit target in the funded side. So on the funded side, you don't have a profit target, so you can take a payout faster, I'll say. Smooth, you can't micro scalp with Tradeify. Well, technically you can. You just can't have most 50% of your profits from micro scalping.